Hello there and welcome back to my special video for YouTube members. If you are watching this video, that means that you might be interested in becoming a special member on my YouTube channel. So first of all, becoming a member on my YouTube channel would mean that you would like to support my work here by donating a certain amount of money. Now in return, there are some interesting perks which I will be able to provide you. And before I tell you what those perks actually are, let me introduce you with the badges which I have prepared for my special members. So there are 6 different badges available for my special members. Now if you're not familiar with badges, they basically represent a title which will be shown along with your YouTube channel name in the comment section on my videos. So you will get a badge depending on how long you are a member on my YouTube channel, and the longer you are, the better the badge will be shown along with your name. So the first badge is for the people who are members on my YouTube channel for less than a month. So basically this badge is reserved for all new members on my YouTube channel. Next, the second badge will replace the first one after you spend at least 1 month being a member on my YouTube channel. Next, the third one is reserved for the people who are members longer than 2 months. Next, the fourth one is reserved for the people who are members longer than 6 months. Next, the fifth one is reserved for the people who are members longer than 12 months. And finally, the sixth or the last one is reserved only for the most loyal members who are supporting me over 24 months or 2 years. And that's not all. Also, I have prepared a few emojis which will be available for all my members as well. Now at this moment I have 4 different emojis, but more will be available in the future. Now finally about membership levels. So there are 4 different member levels: Tan, San, Sama and Sensei. With each member level you'll get a new perk along with the perks from the previous member levels as well. So the first membership level, Tan, will be available for $1.99 a month, and along with membership badges and emojis, you'll get an invite to my private Discord channel where only my special members can enter. Also, a Tan membership level will offer the best price discount to all my courses on Udemy. Next membership level is San, which will be available for $5.99 a month, and this membership level will offer you all the perks from the previous level, plus 1 new extra perk for shoutouts in my videos. That means that your name, along with your membership level and the badge title, will be displayed at the end of my YouTube videos as a thank you note. Next membership level is Sama, which will be available for $9.99 a month, and this membership level will offer you all the perks from the previous levels, plus 1 new extra perk. And that new extra perk will mean that I'm going to share with you some of my future plans regarding the content of my YouTube channel, and even plans for my future courses on which I'm going to work on. And finally, the last and the most loyal membership level is called Sensei, which will be available for $24.99 a month, and this membership level will offer you all the perks from the previous levels, plus not 1 but 2 new extra perks. And the first one is called consultation, and it means that you'll have an opportunity to chat privately with me where I can give you some career advice and maybe point you in the right direction. And with the second perk we can team up and schedule a gameplay session sometimes where we can sit back and enjoy playing some video games together. Okay, so that was a lot of words for this introduction video. I do really hope that you've enjoyed watching it. So bottom line, if you wish to support my work and receive back some interesting perks, then you have multiple membership levels to choose from. Thank you.